Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Display Settings, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once done, identify the monitor you're adjusting so you don't change the wrong screen. Make sure to note resolution and scale because HDR toggles can depend on those. Scroll down to the Windows HD Color section. That's where HDR options live. If Windows HD Color isn't visible, make sure the display supports HDR and is connected via HDMI to 0+ or DisplayPort. Now proceed to the HD. You'll now toggle HDR off in the Windows HD Color section. Locate the Play HDR Games and Apps switch and flip it to off. The screen will often flash as the color profile changes. Once switched, check that brightness and color return to normal. If the toggle is grayed out, make sure your cable type and GPU driver support or disable HDR. Update GPU drivers, try a different HDMI/DP port, or reconnect the monitor. After confirming the toggle is functional, continue to finalize color settings. Finish by adjusting brightness and color settings for standard dynamic range, since HDR changes can leave SDR too dim or washed out. You should apply settings and test with a familiar image or video. If colors, scaling, or resolution look wrong, reboot Windows to ensure the change sticks. A key troubleshooting tip: if the toggle won't stay off or settings revert, uninstall and reinstall the GPU driver. Then disable any monitor-based HDR modes via the monitor OSD. That usually resolves stubborn HDR persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.